All right, hello. This is Hayden Wilson. This is just a backup. I'm here on 5/4/2022. This is literally only just a backup in case something happens between now and Friday that just destroys the wonderful thing that I have working here. This is Hayden Wilson, 5/4/2022 on the ThoughtBot microcomputer. My design, my code, all that good stuff. It's plugged in here. I'm in Putty here. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna back out. I'm gonna show you that I'm connecting to Putty the way I need to. MCD load COM11 19.2K baud. Gonna open. Gonna make the screen a little bit bigger. I'm gonna turn this one on. Nothing. I've got to reset. Double reset, there we go. Medusa, monitor program. We're gonna start with a read from memory. Read from memory, enter an address. We'll do 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. And we will add in there F. Oh, I messed it up. I put in a wrong thing. Let me reset. Oh, I broke that pretty bad. Okay, I'm gonna turn the board off actually. Yeah, that was just one part of a subroutine for it. Asked, do you want to modify this location? And I put in F, and that's not a handled error, so that just caused a big mess. There we go, Medusa. Read from memory, enter an address 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. BEFEFFD5. Do you want to modify this location? We'll say yes. We'll add 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. It says the long word stored at that address is now that, but just to prove that the read from memory routine works, we're going to go back to 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And it says that. Currently, the branching, I tried to add this to the read where you could modify the location. You have the option to say no, but for some reason right now no breaks it, and I wasn't able to figure out why no breaks it. And sometimes if you just don't click yes fast enough, it breaks it. So, but we can read again 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. It'll still be 0. We'll say yes. Enter a long word to store 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But we already checked that. And effectively what's going on right here, the long word stored, that's a reread. So it reads it again directly from the memory. That's not in any addresses. But you see that it works, that the write and the read work. But then we'll just do a straight write. Enter an address 0, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2. Enter a long word to store F 0, 0, D, F 0, 0, D. And then it does a read for us and says the long word stored there now is food. I can go back with the other subroutine just to show that works. 0, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2. And it still says it, and then we'll say yes, we'll modify it 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now we can read from a register. We'll look at A3. A3 is FFFF, 3FFF. Yeah, something like that. We're going to write to a register. We're going to choose A3. We're going to say BEEF, 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 beef. There we go. So we wrote that to A3. Now we're going to test it. Yep, beef, beef. We're going to write to D5. We're going to store F0, 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 F0. And it does the register read for us, but we'll go back to the subroutine just to be sure, and then we'll go to D5, and it says F0, 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 F0. All right, now we're going to load and run an S record. There was some extra stuff that was planned for this that ended up causing issues, and it still works. It's just kind of strange. Sorry, I'm in the wrong thing. Now I'm back in Putty. Yeah, Putty, you can see that. Paste your S record here. It pastes. Do you want to run this now? Yes. 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 Okay. There we go. I guess we ran the S record, but I'll go ahead and click run S record just to be safe. And it says there are no S records run, so we ran into some kind of error. That just happens with weird timing sometimes. So let me double check. You actually technically don't need the header on this S record, so I'm just going to grab that. My program actually ignores the header and just looks at what we want to run. So we're going to right click to paste. Do you want to run this now? It skips out of that and assumes you want to know, and then we're going to run it. One S record is loaded on the RAM. It's running. There's a plain feature for it to be able to have multiple S records, and that's kind of broken right now. It's in a broken state, but it's still able to run the S record after it's been loaded. So it'll either bring itself out or we'll reset it. There we go, we'll reset it. And what that S record was supposed to do was to, I had to reset again. Okay, I didn't mean to do that. So read from register, that was supposed to put in A5 0000 food. And yeah, there you go, the Medusa monitor program and the ThoughtBot microcomputer. Thank you very much.